About the nickel. This is the front and back of a nickel. The face on the nickel is the third American president, Thomas Jefferson. The last lesson, we learned about heads and tails. This side of the coin where Thomas Jefferson's face is called heads. This is what the back of a lot of nickels look like. The picture on the back of the nickel is Monticello. That is the name of the house where Thomas Jefferson lived. It is in Charlottesville, Virginia. It's called tails. Similar to how the pennies had many different images on the front and back, the nickel also has different images. But you can figure out that it is a nickel because the back or the tail side says 5 cents. F-I-V-E-C-E-N-T-S. The value of a nickel. Let's practice writing the value of a nickel. F-I-V-E-C-E-N-T-S. Or we can replace the 5 with the symbol 5 and cents, C-E-N-T-S. Or we can keep the symbol 5 and draw the symbol for cents with a C and a line through it. Drawing a nickel. Whenever I want to draw a nickel on paper, instead of tracing this face or trying to draw Monticello, I am going to put the letter N for nickel and put a circle around it. Or I can put the number 5 because the value is 5 cents. And I'll put the cent symbol and put a circle around that. Let's use this hundreds chart to count by 5s. So if I started at the very beginning, I wouldn't start with 1, I would need to start with my very first 5. And when I'll go ahead and just circle a 5. Then when I count by the next set of 5s, I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get to 10. So if I'm counting by 5s, I start with 5, 10. So now let me add on another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. Let me add on another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I'm counting by 5, so far I've counted 5, 10, 15, 20. What do you predict the next 5 will be? Pause the video and make a prediction as to what you think the next 2 numbers will be. Did you guess 25 and 30? Great job! Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can pause the video and predict what all of the numbers by 5 will be all the way to 100. We counted by 5s using a hundreds chart. Now, how about we start at the beginning together and count by 5, starting with 5 going all the way to 100.